see Bijan Robinson right here catching the little bubble screen, but the move on Frankie Luvu. That guy is too big to move like that.
Let's get it in motion. Time to show your devotion, laughing and joking. Nah, we staying focused.
Second down and 1. This is Robinson who picks up a first down. On second and 1, wide open, it's Robinson. Another Falcons first down.
In the slot, they're respecting him in the slot, and then it goes. Nothing real big of a block.
This set of downs for the Falcons on the toss. It's Robinson.
Ooh.
Couple of nice moves. Out across the 45 and still going.
Ain't no stopping us. Ain't no stopping us. Ain't no stopping us. Ain't no stopping us.
Looking to put together a scoring drive here. It's Robinson, first down.
Ain't no stopping us. Ain't no stopping us. Ain't no stopping us. Ain't nobody stopping us.
Stop it, Brent.
There's Robinson. Another Atlanta first down.
Shook the dice, time to roll them up. Everything you ever wanted, huh? Had to pay just for showing up. Hate you for showing up.
2 timeouts. Yep. There's Robinson. Up the middle to the 35. The toss. Robinson picks up the first and more. Falcons convert.
Get it out to your best player in open space. Good things will happen as they get the nice first down, nice pickup, Bijan Robinson.
So now Ritter and the Falcons go back to work from their 25-yard line. The handoff, Robinson. Wow. And Bijan able to pick up a first down. From the 38, first down, Robinson again. Ninth play of the drive for Atlanta. From the Green Bay 22, here's Robinson. And Robinson takes it all the way down to the 11-yard line. 6 seconds remaining in the quarter. On first down, handoff, Robinson. Out across the 40. Robinson in the backfield. Robinson makes the catch. First down and more.
If there's one guy you need to cover out the backfield, it's going to be Bijan Robinson.
Running for real, you jogging in place. You wait for tomorrow, we get it today. Don't get in the way, that's not on the play. Don't care what you say, you ain't in the game. We made a way out of nothing. Forrest Gump, we kept running.
We're down at 3.
There it is.
Ritter, Robinson, first down Atlanta.
There's Bijan Robinson. He's on the linebacker. No offense to Devondre Campbell. Bijan is a different animal. He's a different speed.
Gotta bring food to the table. Long as I'm willing and able, I'ma stay humble and grateful.
Came to the line very quickly.
Nope. They run the play and pick up the first down. Robinson.
Let's go!